Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on tabletop Braille layout in Motorola Edge 15 phone. So where to look for our Braille language options and layouts and how to change them. So first we need to open settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility, then TalkBack, then settings, and in TalkBack settings we need to go to Braille section. Now we have Braille keyboard here and the layout option is here. So as you can see, we have three options here: adapt to how we hold the device, we have the screen away mode, and we have the tabletop mode. And now, as you can see, the layout has been changed to the tabletop mode. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.